Hello everyone, myself Sohail Ran Malik from second CSC. So today's my topic is about overall of the design process from the subject software engineering. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. Overall of the design process. Before starting that, I would like to give the normal steps that are used in the design thinking process, which may be empathize, ideate, prototype, test, and the user of feedback. So here is somewhat the similar about the design process. Here, the design process is like structured approach to solve any problem. It typically involves in a series of stages that guide designers from initial concept to the final product. So as you can see here, over of the design process in the pictorial representation here, in the picture. First step is about research. Second step is about concept. Third is about design, and fourth is about prototype. So we will discuss this in every slide about topic each and one and each topic, starting from the definition of this problem, right? The first step is to clearly articulate the problem to be solved. This involves gathering insights and understanding the needs of the stakeholders. First, we should understand the needs, what the user wants. uh, Accordingly, we should generate a product, right? So here the first step would be like the hypothesis who our potential customers are. From them, we would build a team, like we build prototypes to see what works and what the user needs, how the user work with that product. Based on that feedback we will receive from the beta trainers, we would again launch the product in such a way that it would be helpful for the users, and we keep a close eye in the market as well, so that it would be generate accordingly. How does it works in the market, how does the people likes it or not. So we have finally achieved our goal to design an excellent product. Research and analyze. Conduct through thorough research to inform the design decisions. Analyze existing solutions, market trends, and user needs. This step ensures that the design is grounded in reality and informed by data. It's coming to the ideation and brainstorming, like you should generally give a wide range of ideas and concepts without judgment, and you should conduct like brainstorming sessions to get the more idea uh, about the product for the users, so that they get interest and spend the money on your product. If there is no use, then the product would be then the users would not likely to buy your product, right? So for this, we should conduct brainstorming sessions for the awareness fund. Next, coming to the concept development, it would be select the most promising ideas from the ideation phase for further development, create sketches, models, or prototypes to visualize the concepts. So, this point, let me take an example of any product. If you observe any product, it needs some publicity, right? To visualize the concept, like what it is used for, what is the need of that product. It should be known by the users, right? So to explain and visualize the concept, we use like sketches, models, or prototypes, sometimes even ads, right? So this is how it works. This step allows for the explanation of designing elements and their functionality as well. Here next, coming to the design refinement, evaluate and refine the chosen concepts based on the feedback and testing. Next, coming to the make iterative improvements to enhance usability and aesthetics. This phase is critical for addressing many flaws and ensuring design effectiveness. As we guys know about this design refinement, to refine any design, whether it looks good or not, right? So this is how it design refinement. Next, coming to the it's about prototyping. So develop a working prototype to simulate the final product. Prototype is nothing about the blueprint. Prototype is nothing about the blueprint of the plan. So develop working prototype to simulate the final product. So plan a blueprint accordingly for any product. Prototypes can range from low fidelity sketches to high fidelity models. Testing the prototype helps identify the issues and gather user feedback effectively. As we all know, any product which we design should be tested so that we can get their flaws and we can launch a new product without their flaws. Next, coming to the testing and evaluation phase, conduct usability tests to assess how well the design meets user needs. Gather feedback from real users to evaluate functionality and satisfaction. This step is crucial This step is crucial for validating design choices and making necessary adjustments. Next, coming to the implementation phase, once the design is finalized, prepare for implementation and production. Collaborate with engineers, developers, or manufacturers to bring the design to life. Effective communication is key during this phase to ensure alignment with the design intent. Next, coming to the launch and delivery phase, as you can see here, the in the image, the first is about brief to know about the data, and second one is to about the research of the data. Next, coming to the sketching one. Next, coming to the concepts presentation. Next, the revisions, and last comes to the final presentation and delivery. This is what this launch and delivery phase knows for. Ensure that all stakeholders are informed and prepared for the launch. Post-launch evaluation is essential to access the success of the design. Feedback and iterations. This and the process continues. Like collect feedback from the users after the launch of the product, and stakeholders use this information to make iterative improvements and updates. So this process gonna be repeat for the several times for the better and better upgrades of any product. Next, coming to the conclusion, the design process is a cyclic journey that enhances innovation and creativity. Each stage plays a crucial role in delivering effective and user-centered designs. Mastering the design process leads to the better solutions and improved user experiences. So this is what you over the design process uh, refers to. Thank you. Have a nice day.